The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Lower the glove box. Remove the 2 screws securing the filter housing door. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Unclip both sides of the filter housing door. Open the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing door. Reclip the housing door. Reinstall the screws. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Clip the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.